Waldman believes Panasonic trimmer is the best for beginners because of its versatility. You can use it in the shower with shave gel or for a quick dry trim. He says it's easy to use, adjustment dial for different hair lengths is a standout. There aren't a bunch of attachments to misplace or clutter your bathroom drawers. For a beginner, that means much less time fidgeting around in the morning and getting straight to business with just a turn of a dial. If your skin is on the more sensitive side, Waldman recommends using a trimmer with wet and dry functions, which this one offers. The trick to not irritating sensitive skin is to soften your beard and lubricate your skin before using a trimmer. Waldman explains after washing and moisturizing, you can keep your beard area covered with a damp warm washcloth for about 2 minutes to further soften the hair. He says then you can go in with this trimmer whether you are shaving in the bathroom sink or in the shower. The Panasonic Cordless men's beard trimmer with precision dollar comes at $55 in Amazon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.